Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and safety. Confirm the unit is a 12V DC compressor and that your battery has sufficient charge. Next, attach the hose and screw on the nozzle snugly to the valve stem. A loose fit wastes time and causes leaks. Once done, connect the positive clamp to the battery positive and negative to a clean ground if using clamps, or plug into the 12V socket if specified, making sure all connections are secure before powering on. Power the compressor and set the target PSI based on the tire or equipment specification. This prevents overinflation. While inflating, watch the pressure gauge closely and pause periodically to let the unit cool if your compressor lists a duty cycle. Continuous run causes overheating. If inflating tires, rotate among tires for balance, checking PSI after each short fill. Make sure to reseat the valve cap and remove the nozzle cleanly. After reaching the target PSI, switch off the compressor, disconnect power, and stow the hose to prevent kinks. Recheck the pressure after a minute to verify no slow leaks. Top up if needed. If the unit won't start, test the 12V source, inspect the inline fuse, and verify clamp polarity and tightness. For slow inflation, check for leaking fittings or a clogged valve core. Replace seals or cores as required to restore normal flow and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.